Hey guys, welcome back to Goals with Gear. My name is Ed, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Leatherman Raptor Rescue Multipurpose Shears. It has 6 tools, is made in the USA, and has a 25-year warranty. The front 2 callouts that immediately is put is that it has a strap cutter as well as a carbide glass breaker. On the side, it does show that it is a foldable multi-purpose shear along with a removable pocket clip, which I think is nice, but I would probably keep the pocket clip on it just so I don't lose it if I'm using it in a pre-hospital or even in an emergency room setting. So in the back, it does show what it is. It was developed for emergencies. The life-saving Raptor Rescue is crafted for medical specific situations, featuring a foldable shear, O2 tank wrench, strap and ring cutters, and a carbide glass breaker with the holster included. So it does show the 6 different uses here, as well as actually the available colors. I chose the black for simplicity's sake, and the side on this side shows the Leatherman definition of multi-purpose along with the holster being included. Now let's break into this and see what we get. Okay, so it does have the Leatherman pamphlet for the product, the holster for the scissor, the shears, however you want to call it. Nice little, actually paper mache type product holder, which is nice because it's not plastic. And this is the shears itself. So immediately on feeling it, it does have that quality tension that is required of shears in terms of being able to cut. I think it's a really cool call out that it has the O2 tank wrench here, the strap cutter here. This is the ring cutter. I don't plan on cutting any rings, but if we have to, that'll be really nice. It does also have a 1.9 inch or 5 centimeter ruler, which is perfect for anyone trying to measure the 2-inch gang, make them feel good about themselves. And lastly, the carbide glass breaker and the pocket clip. Now, this is really cool because one of the best functions about it is that even though it is relatively big compared to other shears that you would use, it does fold into a very compact footprint that is also, let's see how this goes. There you go. It has a holster that you can keep on your uniform. Great for the pre-hospital setting, but also very good for the emergency room and maybe even in the ICU. But I definitely do appreciate the quality behind it and the fact that it is made in the USA, so you get to support homegrown companies. But one of the main reasons why I didn't go with the cheaper alternative that you can find on Amazon is that after looking at the reviews, many of the people who have bought this particular style type shear that wasn't directly a Leatherman product and was made in other overseas countries, is that after several uses, the overall quality, the tension and tightness and the efficacy of the actual tool, it has just dramatically diminished. And anyone who does have the original Leatherman actual authentic product itself has said that it has held up for them. So when it comes to the tools like this, I definitely recommend doing your own research, or maybe even checking it out, both the new or the authentic or the Amazon replica ones, and seeing what you would like. But because the things that we need to use, or the reasons that we need to use this, are pretty important, I think it's very important for you to make that decision and don't make it lightly. So I think it's totally worth the extra money and can be paid back in dividends in terms of reliability and peace of mind. So let me know what you guys think, and drop a like, subscribe, and give me additional comments on what you think is possibly a better trauma shear or something else that you would use instead of this. Thank you.